Toby, Toby. Ain't nothing smoother. Wow. They all look at the camera going by me. But this horse, even if he spooks, all four legs stay in place. I mean, I'm telling you, I've ridden this horse myself on vacation. He is really comfortable. He is a poster child for spotted saddle horses. Look at that. I mean, she's not moving a bit. Fun. If you've got a bad back, call me about this horse.